Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to build a secret message encoder and decoder using Python. Let's first understand the technique behind it. The technique that we will be using is Caesar Cypher. It works by shifting each letter by a fixed number of positions in the alphabet. For example, with a shift of 3, the letter A becomes D, B becomes E, and so on. Similarly, if we use a large shift number like 3, 2, 4, 5, the letter A will change to the alphabet that comes 3, 2, 4, 5 letters after it. Do not get confused by this large number. The shifting will take place as normal. That is, after 26 characters, the counting will start again from A and vice versa. Now let's code. Open up your favorite Python editor or IDE and follow along. We first define the Caesar Cypher function. It takes in your message, shift key, and mode, either encode or decode, and returns the transformed message. We start by initializing an empty string called result that will store our final output. If the user wants to decode a message, we reverse the direction of the shift by making it negative. We loop through each character in the message. If it's a letter, we'll transform it. Otherwise, we'll just leave it as it is. We check if the letter is uppercase or lowercase. This line shifts the character forward or backward based on the shift value, wraps around the alphabet using %26 because there are 26 alphabets in total, and then converts it back into a letter using the CHR function. If it's a space, number, or symbol, we just keep it unchanged. Finally, we return the fully encoded or decoded message. Next, we build a simple interface in the terminal by using the main function. First, we print the program title. Then, we use a while true loop, so the program keeps running until the user decides to stop. We ask the user whether they want to encode or decode. If the user types something wrong, we show an error and restart the loop. Now we ask the user to enter the actual message they want to hide or reveal. We ask for the shift number. This determines how far each letter will move. We wrap it in a try block to catch errors. If the user enters something that isn't a number, we catch the error and ask again. We call our Caesar Cypher function and show the final encoded or decoded message. Lastly, we ask if the user wants to go again. If not, we exit with a goodbye message. This line ensures that our program runs only when executed directly. Now let's try it out. I'll enter a message like Caesar Cypher and use a shift of 5, 8, 5, 9. Nice! Our message got encoded. If we decode this encoded message using the same key, we get back our original message. If you want to take this project to the next level, try building a GUI version using tkinter, or add more complex encryption techniques like the 𝗲𝗄𝗃 cipher, or even base 64. If you found this project helpful, drop a like and comment below what you want to see next. And don't forget to subscribe for more projects like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.